video. This video is sponsored by my wallet. And slowly getting thinner. Why did I buy all the shit? I don't know. I like buying shit. I like wasting my money on stuff. So, check this out. This is really cool. I thought it was cool anyway. This is another oil can. This says made in England. Brames grit excluder feed hole. It has a, it's all silver soldered. Number 14, 1 pint. It's got a little, I don't know if it works. It's got a little hole, see? That is really cool. Little spout. It says made in England on the side. That is really cool. It's got a nice dent in the side here. I thought it was neat. I thought it was really neat. I'll show you this part too. This is really cool. I don't know if you can see that, but that is really neat. It opens like that. I was wondering, like, the only thing I noticed though is if this thing breaks, there's no way to fix it. Like, this thing better last 1,000 years, but it's cool. It's kind of like those giant garden. I have a watering can from England, and it's the same style of, but it's got the big, like, anyway, look it up, you'll see. This is an oil can. Pretty cool. I thought it was neat. Very, very cool. I also picked up a, where is it? Where was it? Where is it? There's this. Oh yeah, this thing. I haven't checked online what this is. It's a Stanley bit gauge. I don't know how to use this. No idea how to use it. It's in a box. Not even sure what it's for. But it's a Stanley bit gauge. I don't know what the hell it does. Not sure. Like, what bit gauge? I don't know. See, I don't know what it is. I have no idea how this works. No idea. I'm assuming. I don't know. There's no instructions. I didn't look it up before I did the video, so shoot me. Don't shoot me. That'd be illegal. The box is pretty cool. Stanley bit gauge. Let me look it up. I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, folks. According to this, the Stanley 49 bit gauge for auger bits and something else. And the average price is between 20 and 30 bucks. That's what I seen with the box. So, with that said, I don't know how to use it. Don't know what the hell I'll use it for. But it was cool, and there was something else on my bench that I want to show you, but where the hell is it? Oh yeah. I know where it is. I'll leave this here for shits and giggles. I also got this little thing here. It is a, I'll move this camera forward so you can actually see what's going on here. Forward. Let me go downward. There we go. This is a, you all know what this is. It's a planer. This one's pretty cheap. You can tell they swirled it around this way. It is made in USA. It's got some kind of black paint on it. I don't know who makes it. Who makes this thing? There's a little logo on here. Anybody know who makes this? Anyway, it's got crud on it. I wonder if this is, what do you call it, Japaning? So anyway, I got this one. And there's this one, which is a little tiny one. This one's actually made a little better because it's got a little more intricate. This to me looks like a cheap one. It's aluminum. It's light. It's probably like, I don't know. I'm guessing by the black finish, maybe the 60s or 70s. This one looks a little bit more expensive. It's got brass in here. And it's a little thumb thing. It's got black paint on it. And it just looks a little more intricately made. Plus the screws. Adjust it. Slice your finger off if you want. I think the blade's on backwards too. Anyway, I don't want to get cut. So I'll put this back here. But it's pretty neat. It's like, let me put this up here so you can see better. See, it's kind of cool. I don't know who makes this. I don't collect these, but you can. I'm convinced they made like 40 billion of these things, and every garage sale you go to has like one for $10. This one came with the same lot, and it reminds me of a stapler. It's got black patina on it. You could tell it's definitely, it's either really cheap or it's better made, but it's, I don't know, I'm guessing it's for, like, put it in your hand maybe, so there's like a thing here. You probably, see, this, it's definitely a lot heavier, it's bigger cast, could probably use a new paint job. There's definitely more meat on the bottom. It's been machined down. It's rusted to hell too. And the blade is quite different, actually. Take the blade out, see if it comes out. Let me see if I can get the blade out. No, the blade didn't come out that way. How the hell does this blade come out? Weird. It's come out the bottom. Nope, it won't come out the bottom. How the hell do you get this blade out? Oh, I get it. I take the top off here. So yeah, that's kind of unique. This goes in there like so. It's kind of neat whoever figured this out. Basically, it's just wedged in there. It's like a giant wedge eatable. Goes in there and just ta-da! So whoever invented this thing a bazillion years ago, like, it's pretty ingenious. It's the only thing really. It's just leverage holding there, a little pressure. So I could theoretically take the screw out, polish all this up, give it a new paint job, grease the bottom, and so I got 3 of them. Do I need these things? No. Do I have a bunch of them? I have about 6 or 7. I'll admit it. I have used them. I have used a hand planer several times. It's not like something I use every day. It's not something I use every month. It's probably something I'll use once a year, and I don't know. It's not my thing. I don't like doing woodwork. I don't like doing a lot of things, but woodwork is not my forte. I'm not great at it. With that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, wash your hands, keep 100 feet apart, and always pet someone's dog when you're not supposed to. Just kidding. Toodles, thanks for watching, and stay tooly. Thanks for watching.